Hello, so today I'm gonna show you how to segment anything in QGIS with AI. So for that, we develop a plugin with my friend and my dad that I'm gonna show you right now. So to use that, you have to launch QGIS, of course. It works on Windows, macOS, and Linux, and on mostly all the version of QGIS. So to install it, you just have to go to plugin and go to AI segmentation. You can install it. Okay. Once it's installed, you will have a new panel on the right that basically tell you the first step to install. It's work automatically. You don't have to do anything. Just click on the button. And you also see it as a logo just right there if you want to toggle it. So let's get into it. We're gonna install the dependencies. And during the installation, you just have to give us your mail so we can like send you update on the plugin and yeah, so we can have feedback and improve it. So to do that, you just have to click there and put your mail right here. Yup. And you got this cute code, who means bread in French because we are French people. Yeah, so during the installation, I'm just gonna show you a bit what we're doing since I just need to wait. So we are a startup called TerraLab, so with my friend and my dad. And basically, we're bringing AI into geospatial information system, the way we think it will be useful. So for that, we give a lot of open source. Like this is just our first plugin, but we have a lot of idea in mind. And we also develop from a long time, basically an infrastructure to host all the planets in 3D that you can modify and interact with. So we have those two projects that we're working on right now. So don't hesitate to reach out if you have an idea or want to partner in some stuff. I'm just gonna wait the finish of the installation and I come back. Okay, so now that the dependencies are installed, we just need to download the AI model. It's really quick. Up. And now we're gonna start with a simple mode. So this is batch mode. I'm gonna explain it just after that. But right now, just click there. And so you can see that it selects the layer that you have here. So for the moment, it only supports local raster. So it don't support online raster that you load with Quick Map Service, for example. So make sure to have a GeoTIFF format or TIFF or TIFF. And let's go. So first time that you're gonna launch the plugin on a new raster image, it's gonna just take a bit of time to encode the image. So basically make it readable by the AI. And after that, it will not happen anymore. Like it just first one time, and after that, the plugin work in real time in your raster like directly. Okay, the encoding is finished. So we can start. So if you want to segment something, you just have to click on the thing you want to segment. So let's click on this car, for example. First time you click, it take a bit of time. It just because it's the first click on your encoding. After that, it's completely real time. Up. So now we have segmented a car. So what you want to do now is that if you're happy with this selection, you can export it. Or if, for example, you want to segment this car, but I don't know, like you don't like the segmentation or it don't really fit what you want, what you can do is refine the selection. So itself basically to, for example, reduce the number of like outlines to make it more simple. So if I augment it, for example, I can just have a way more simple polygon, the vector. I can expand the polygon to make it a bit more big. I can, if I have a complex segmentation, fill the holes. So for example, if you have small holes in your selection, it's gonna just like remove it. And we have also minimum region size. So if, for example, you segmenting trees or complicated stuff, um, augmenting this parameter gonna like remove a lot of artifact and a small selection that you don't want to see. So it's a cool parameter to keep in mind. I'm just gonna let it to 50 for this moment. Okay, so I'm happy I can export it. And now what I'm gonna show is another mode for this plugin with the batch mode. So to activate batch mode, you just have to click there and to start the segmentation. So batch mode gonna enable you to basically do more segmentation, because for the moment in simple mode, as you can see, when you segment something, it's segmented, and after that you have it as a layer on a group on your layer tab. But if you want to segment multiple elements and have it on one layer, I don't know if you want to segment a different roof of a different building, it's not gonna be easy to do it with simple because it's gonna take too long to export so much layer. So what we do in batch mode is that you can select different polygon segmentation and have it all in one layer. So let's try that. So for example, I don't know, I want to segment this roof. So I'm gonna click on it, of course. And as you can see, I'm not happy with the result because I have this part, I don't want it. So what I can do is right click on the part that I don't want, like that, and it's gonna remove it, like pretty simple. And also I'm not happy with like the little outline there, it don't feel clean. So I'm still gonna use the refine selection tab to make the selection more simple. And you can see that it's simplified. I want also a bit more here. Yeah, so like that, I'm happy with this result. So in batch mode, when you're happy with your polygon, you can save it. So it's gonna save the polygon, now it's okay. And but you can continue the segmentation. So for now, if I want to, I don't know, also segment this roof, I can click on it, refine it a bit, up like that, and click save polygon. Now I have two segmentation in the same layer. And I can do as many as I want. I don't know if I also want to segment a car. It don't really make sense, but imagine. I'm gonna refine it a bit, like that. Click Save Polygon. And now that I have all my polygons saved, I can just click Export. I'm just gonna show you quickly this button. So it's just to undo what you've done before if you're not happy. So up, if I do that, it's gonna remove the selected polygon, and just you can refine it a bit more if you want. Okay, I'm gonna save it and now export. Up, and as you can see, I have now the segmentation of my three element there. What you can do also is, it's not from our plugin, it's just a QGIS option, but you can modify the look of your segmentation. So if you're feeling a bit nostalgic about Christmas, you can put this one. You can put this one. Basically, you have a lot of control on this layer once they are done because it's just vector layer, so you can do anything with them. And yeah, that's mostly it. You can put as many raster as you want, and you can select there and have fun with it. You have the documentation there, and you can contact us if you want to put more features on the plugin or give us feedback, bugs, anything. And yeah, that's it. Thanks, and bye bye.